Hello and welcome to another Magna Forex Sunday analysis video. Last week we had some technical problems with the video. I made a mistake and posted our first video. When I tried to upload the video that I recorded, I found that that video had some technical problems. So I have resorted to deleting the episode 5 video, and this will replace the episode 5. Sorry for any inconvenience that it might have caused. I hope you gain knowledge from this video. Alright, without wasting any further time, let's get into this week's forecast. Okay, like always, we're going to be analyzing the pairs that I trade. We begin with Aussie dollar. Okay, so last week on the 5th, that was Sunday, we were somewhere here. We were here. I entered my trade off this confluence level here. When price came to this level, I saw it started making, when price came to this level, I saw it made a pin bar here. It reached a significant level, created a pin bar, came down. Actually, I entered at this level here. You can see I entered at this bearish engulfing candle here. This one, this candle here, this candle right here, this candle where this line is just here. That's where I entered from. And this was because we had price reversing from a significant level that I have marked out here. Let's try to push to our left and see where the significant level is marked out. So you can see this level has been significant for some time. Price came here, found support from this level, tested here, also found support. So now it found resistance at this level, gave me the bearish engulfing candle, came into came into 36 pips in profit, then found support at this liquidity level here and started pushing up. So last week I anticipated price to find resistance at this exact level again and begin to roll over. My target level was 0.6600. Price eventually hit my target. This was on Thursday. On Tuesday, sorry. This was on Tuesday when price hit my target level, and I was out for the market for some time. I got what I wanted from the market and I left the market. It is important to leave the market once you have collected your profit, rather than stay in the market with your euphoria still affecting your perception of the market, and you may start over trading and you may end up losing your capital. So you see, this was a very good trade. I posted the before and after of the trade on our Instagram page. Make sure to go check it out. I'll leave the link to the Instagram page in the description below. So right now for Aussie dollar, I am expecting a continuation to the downside. We can see this bearish engulfing candle. We can see bearish rejection. So we have a wick here, we have a wick here, then we have a bearish engulfing candle that developed here. We also have price respecting our moving average as dynamic resistance. So let us see how price develops on Monday. If I see further confirmation to enter the trade, I will post an update in the Telegram channel. So make sure to join our Telegram channel if you haven't. I post some exclusive content in the channel. So you can see I had my TP1 here and my TP2 here. Both targets got hit. Let's see how the market performs on Monday. We go down to gold. For gold last week we closed here. As you can see, I had this level marked out. I expected price to come to this level right here and begin to roll over and come down. So my expectation was due to these weak rejection levels that we have here. So I expected price, if not to reject from this weak rejection that we have here, it would come up and reject from 1860. I expected price not to go above 1860, and it did just that. Immediately it opened on Monday, we began to have the bears come into the market. Price also had high volatility on Tuesday. I don't know what really happened, but we just had high volatility on Tuesday. Probably it was some news that came out. First, we had the hammer candle here. You can see it. We had the hammer candle here. Then we had a pin bar that came to retest the level again, and we began to tumble down from the level here. So we had our moving average crossover here, and price came down to 1810 where it found support and it rejected upwards very sharply. So you can see price now looks to have broken this last high here, but our Aussie dollar looks to be bearish, so I'm expecting gold to continue its bearish trend. Let's look at gold on the daily. All right, so gold on the daily hasn't yet broken our last high here, which is 1860. So let us see how the daily candle closes on Monday, and from there we can see how price will develop during the course of the week. But my bias for gold right now is still bearish. So let's sit on our hands and see how price will react on Monday. We come to Euro USD. Okay, for the euro, as you can see, the euro price also has continued to stay under the moving averages. So we are bearish. Our daily candle closed with this huge wick here, meaning the sellers are powerful in the market. For the euro, I also entered the trade that other week. I entered the trade that other week on a Friday. If not a Friday, it was Thursday. I entered the trade here, so it was Thursday. Yes, on the 2nd, I remember it because I journaled this trade. Remember to journal your trades. If you haven't watched the trade journal video, I advise you to go watch the trade journal video to see how you can journal your trades and know your trading style. So I entered here on the 2nd, on Thursday. As you can see, I had this level marked out here because of this weak rejection here. So price has been in a downtrend, so it has been making lower highs, and now here we were expecting a lower high to be formed. I took a trade here. I'm sure most of you have seen the trade, and we had the loss here. I thought price found resistance here due to this previous support level here, and we had a bearish engulfing candle followed by another bearish engulfing candle showing momentum of the sellers coming into the market. So I took this trade and eventually I got stopped out of the trade. This is trading. You accept the loss and you move on. I accepted the loss, waited for price to come to this level again, saw an opportunity to enter a sell at this level here, entered the sell without hesitation. Price came into profit, found support at 1.0578 and began to shoot up again. I was still holding the trade because price never broke our last high here. So I was still holding the trade. During the weekend, last week, where we closed here, price was coming for this level here. So I was still holding my trade and waiting to see how price will react when we tap into this level. So we tapped into the level. We were just a few pips away from my stop loss, and we created this bearish engulfing candle and price just flashed downwards. I took my profit here because of this previous support level, and my AUD USD already reached its target level. So I expected price to begin a reversal. So I just had to take everything out of the market. So after I took everything out of the market, like I said, I stepped out of the market, even though it was a Tuesday, and waited for price to give me another opportunity to open a trade. So after taking either a win or a loss, I wait for the following day because at that moment, emotions are dominant in my mind and I may end up emotionally trading in the market. So every time I get a result from the market, I choose to step out for that day and wait for the following day when my emotions are in check. So for the euro, as you can see, for the euro also, we have come to this previous resistance level and we have shown some rejection from this level again. So for the euro, we might see some further downward movement during the course of this coming week. So let us see how price reacts. So for the euro, we might see price breaking this low and making new lows, probably 1.04500. You'll see me make an update in the Telegram channel. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel, make sure to subscribe. So look out for bearish momentum on the euro. If you're going to enter any trades, again, make sure to use proper risk. So for the euro trade, you can see my take profit was here, 1.0500. This has been my take profit level ever since I took the trade here. So I made a decent amount of profits, approximately 100 pips on this trade. Very good trade, I may say. So you may be wondering why I never took the gold trade. So I never took the gold trade because I was already in the Aussie trade and the euro trade. Plus, I was also in a psychological battle on this trade. So you can see this huge retracement. This can take a huge toll on your psychology. I also made a call in the Telegram channel to take partial profits on this level here. So if we were stopped out, we would have come out with something, or we would have been stopped out at break even. So we go down to our index US 30. For US 30, you can see price has been respecting my levels very, very well. So last week we were making this upward correction. So last weekend on Friday, we closed while making this upward correction on the pairs. So this is where we closed on Friday. In the video that had some technical problems, this is where I marked my level. I expected US 30 to come tap this level and begin its bearish leg. So you can see US 30 respected the level very well. We had sharp rejection. US 30 is very much liquid. If you trade US 30, be careful. Make sure to use proper risk, because US 30, as much as it gives, it also takes. So put that in mind. So let's extend this level here. So this level because this level has proved to be a significant level. Again, you can see price tested this level, also tested our ATMA, and created this bearish engulfing candle. Let's see how price develops on Monday. We might see another retracement to come test the level again and begin a bearish leg. Let's see how price develops. I'll make sure to make an update in the Telegram channel. So you can see trading is not that difficult, guys. It's just a matter of understanding what structure is and where to place your right levels. If you do not know how to read market structure, I posted a video yesterday on how to read market structure. Make sure to watch it and take down some notes. If you gain some knowledge from the video, don't forget to leave a like and share with anybody that can benefit from the video. It's not all about taking, guys. It's all about sharing. So if you have anyone who's interested in learning more about Forex, share some insightful information that you have, and it may help them on their journey to becoming a profitable trader. So make sure you sit down and study price. It doesn't come easy like it's promoted online. It takes a matter of time, just like any other skill. It takes a matter of practice and consistency. So if you are practicing and you are consistent every single day, you are on the chart and trying to figure out how the chart moves, I guarantee that one day it's just going to click. If you want to learn more about Forex, you can leave a DM on our Instagram. I'll make sure to see it and we can talk from there. So for US 30, my projection levels are this level right here, 31,203. So this bold level here, that's if we reject from this level. If we stay below this level, we are still bearish on US30. If we stay below this level, we are still bearish on US30. So that's 32,500. So if we stay below 32,500, we are still bearish on US30. Hope that was clear. Let's go down to our last index. That's a dollar index. This is what determines everything that happens in these currency pairs that we trade. So if the dollar is in an uptrend, the pairs that we trade are in a downtrend. And if the dollar is in a downtrend, the pairs that we trade are in an uptrend. I have been mentioning this for some time. This is because the pairs that we trade are quoted against the dollar index. So you can use your logic from there, and that's why the market moves as such. It seems I'm having problems with my network. Okay, we're back now. So for the dollar index, we seem to be respecting this level. Last week, we were also making this retracement here. I was expecting price to respect this level. That's why you can see I circled out this last higher low. So you can see I circled out this last higher low, and I was expecting price to come respect this higher low. So we respected this higher low very well and created 1, 2, 3 strong bullish engulfing candles. This was Tuesday, guys. So Tuesday we had some high momentum in the market. The bulls came in strong in the market. Then they gave it up to the bears. The bears corrected the market, and you can see this bullish reaction here. So again, we have some bullish reaction here. So this gives me the impression that price may continue to reach for more highs. So my next target level is 10650. That's my next target level on the dollar, meaning on these other currency pairs that we trade, we are bearish. We are bearish. So don't take my word as the true gospel. Make sure to analyze the chart on your own with your own strategy and see if you come up with the same thing. If you come up with a different thing, trade whatever you see, because at the end of the day, trading is all about what you are seeing on your own. I will not always be there to give you this analysis. So if you are solely depending on the analysis that I give out, you find that whenever I do not post an analysis video, and I pray that's not soon, some circumstances that may come up may not be in my control. But when the circumstances are in my control, I will make sure to always be posting these videos on Sunday. So like I said, if you are going to enter the analysis that I gave out, you should make sure to use proper risk. I always make sure to emphasize on this point, because if you do not use proper risk, you will end up blowing your account and you will be emotional and you will think the market is the enemy. But the market is not the enemy. Your desires or your wants are the enemies that are prohibiting you from progressing to become a profitable trader, because you want to get rich quick. I repeat myself, you want to get rich quick. There is no way of getting rich quick. Getting rich is a process. You have to put in the work, you have to put in the hours, you have to develop the skill, you have to make the sacrifices. So if you want to learn more on Forex, make sure to leave a DM on our Instagram. I will make sure to reply to your message. So keep this level marked out for the US dollar, 10650. That's where I'm expecting price to come reach. So if we don't reach that level and we decide to come lower and break this last higher low, I'll make sure to make an update in the Telegram channel. And if it doesn't go in our direction, we win, because we will be ready to trend in the other direction. Remember, it's all about the long term, not the short term. So if you take a loss, make sure to bounce back from the loss and continue trading. Thank you very much for watching the video this far. If you have gained any knowledge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Again, do not be selfish. If you have any knowledge to share with your friends, be willing to share the knowledge so that you grow together. You cannot grow unless others grow with you. Thank you.